What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to address a highly suggested topic and highly asked question in my DMs and just in all my social media accounts in general, and that is, where is my mentorship and what is my mentorship and where is it going to be? I had a video blow up a couple months ago where I had tons and tons, hundreds of people DM me for a mentorship. I told them I'd get it started. Well, the thing about me is, and why I place myself ahead of most mentors, is because my mentorship will be done in the name of God, in the name of Christ. I will not just put something out, stitched together, and put it out the next day and try to lie to a bunch of people and say, oh yeah, you're going to get rich off this mentorship. Absolutely not. My mentorship is being done in 3 stages, 3 heavily thought out stages, and 3 stages that will all honor Christ in the way that we really should be helping each other in the trading industry. We as traders should not be painting a false picture for each other. We should not be making fun of each other. We should not be putting out mentorships that are built on lies and built on things that are unachievable and unrealistic when we are all just trying at the end of the day to get better at trading. So as far as the Discord room goes and the one-on-one mentorships goes, that is still in the process of being built. I'm still working with the people around me and the people who are helping me build it and my team in general on just building something special and something that can help so many people not only get better at trading, but most importantly, build relationships and come closer to Christ. So that's what's taking so long on that part. If you look at some of these other mentors, they just stitch together a Discord room. Oh, profit room. Oh, this and that. And, I'm going to send a picture of a trade here and there. Well, no. That's not what I'm doing. My trading mentorship, my Discord room, my one-on-ones with you guys is going to be built on the teachings of Christ, and not only the teachings of Christ, but help us build relationships and help us ultimately get better at trading, which is what we're in that Discord room for. So I'm not just going to stitch something together and put it out there for all of you to just, buy, and then I never talk to you again, and then you speak to one of my, live chat agents or whatever. No. But on the positive side, step 1 of my learning process for you guys is complete. Step 1 of my mentorship process for you guys is complete. I'm going to explain what I have built here, and then I'm actually going to show you guys on the computer, and I'm going to explain why you should be investing in this instead of other mentorships. Step 1 is actually building out an indicator for you guys based on the way I trade, so you guys can trade the exact same levels in the way I do every single day. If you guys don't know, I am a key level to key level trader. I trade things like support and resistance, supply and demand, etc. I don't trade ICT concepts. I don't trade many imbalances or fair value gaps. I do sometimes, but not usually. But overall, I have built my success, gotten all my payouts and all my funded accounts, and built this social media as a whole on being a support and resistance, a simple supply and demand, a simple support and resistance key level trader. So what have I done? I've built out an indicator that plots levels for you guys every single day. I've partnered with Flux Charts, and they have helped me do so. So what's the number one thing that when traders can't do when it comes to support and resistance? Well, every trader can execute. Every trader can press buy or sell. Every trader can draw out what they think is a support and resistance level and press buy or sell. But are you marking out levels that are valid? Are you marking out levels that are actually of interest where price wants to bounce off of a reactive? And that is one of the hardest things to do when you are a support and resistance trader, is actually finding the correct areas where price wants to react off of and price wants to bounce off of. And don't get it wrong. I still struggle with that to this day. I told you guys I would always be an honest trader. I would never paint a picture for you guys that is unrealistic or unachievable. I'm honest with you guys. Just because I have gone full-time in this industry, gotten tens of thousands of dollars in payouts, gotten all these funded accounts, etc., doesn't mean that I don't still struggle with plotting the correct levels. You guys don't know how many times, even when I was in my profitable stage, as I still am, painted a wrong level on the chart and got stopped out because of it. So what does this indicator do? It uses actual data-driven logistics to print the correct levels based on an algorithm in the market that prints support and resistance zones. So I'm going to take you guys to the landing page, explain to you guys exactly why you should be investing in this, and then I'm going to show you exactly what the indicator does and some trades that it has helped me take and my results on the market with it. So without further adu, let's get into the charts and I will show you guys this indicator. All right, guys, so welcome to the charts here. Here we are on my trading view. And as you guys can see, this is what the indicator looks like. Look how clean these charts look. Look how good these areas look. Look how awesome that the levels it prints are. Just clear bounces off the area, clear showing you where the good areas of support and resistance are. And that is really all you're looking for when you are printing these support and resistance zones. You are looking for areas where you can take trades off of that are strong, that are valid, and that won't stop you out because you've put in the wrong levels. Now, of course, when I say won't stop you out, I don't mean always. Of course, as a trader, you're going to get stopped out. But minimizing your loss, minimizing your risk by understanding where these levels are that are valid to be taking trades off of, that is such an important part of being a key level trader. Let's actually look at what we've got here. We've got a 5-minute level here, and as you guys can see, look at all the bounces off this area. This is actual data-driven logistics that print these areas every single day. We have areas here, okay? And we even, as price continues to print, it'll probably print an area here because it continues to do so throughout the day. And that is the best part about this indicator, is it's not built on lagging results. It's built on actual data-driven results as the market moves and goes on. Another cool part is, let's actually check out the settings of this indicator. If you like on your charts a bunch of support and resistance levels and you don't like to have the chart so spaced out, you like to have it constantly filled. I personally don't like that, but I do know traders who like a bunch of support and resistance zones. The swing length, if you do less of a number, the more zones will get printed. So let's put in 10 for the swing length and let's hit OK. And as you guys can see, here come all the zones. So now if you don't like as many zones, let's hit 25. Just like I said, the bigger the number, the less zones there will be. You hit OK, and we get back to our normal amount of zones that we had here. Not only that, it shows up on multiple time frames. There's the 3-minute, there's the 15-minute, and sometimes it even prints levels on the 30-minute. It didn't find any valid levels today, but as you can see, it works up all the way to the 15-minute, sometimes the 30-minute. Another part of these settings is you can actually mix the time frames. So if we do time frame 2 and 3 here, and then we go on the 15-minute and the 30-minute, it'll actually mix the time frames here. See, we're on the 30-minute time frame here, but you have the 15-minute zones here, so you can, look to take trades on certain time frames while also seeing the zones on other time frames. Another cool part of this indicator, you can change all the colors. There we go. My bad. I think I'll keep it yellow. I like yellow. It's one of my favorite things on the chart. You can change it to lines. Do you guys like lines better? There you go. They're lines instead. If you don't like big zones, you can have lines instead. I like zones personally, so I'll keep it that. And then you don't like you like big zones, we can increase it a little bit. Bang. They get bigger. You don't like as big of zones, we can go all the way down to 1. And we will watch them get smaller, just like that. So endless opportunities with this indicator. Super good indicator in my opinion. I'm going to show you some results that I've had with this indicator because I can just show you it on the charts. You'd be like, oh, cool. Let me show you the results I've had with this indicator. I think you guys are going to love this. All right, guys, welcome to my TradeZella, my trading journal. The link for this is as well in the description, the best trading journal out there. So let's actually take a look. This is my month of October so far. Only 1 loss, good winners, all taken off my levels. Let's go back to September. 1 loss the whole month. These trades were taken with my levels. Let's check out some of this stuff right here. We have go to view note. As you guys can see right here, here is those levels and those zones. Absolutely good trading with these levels. Now we can go back to the month of August. August again, only 3 losses. And we'll go back to July. July as well, only 1 loss. So like in a span of 4 months, what have I taken, like 6 or 7 losses? Absolutely insane results. You really can't beat it with this indicator. Let's see what this trade looked like here. Yeah, another zone printed out here. Immediately up to take profit. You guys get the gist of it. These levels are absolutely great. And it clearly helps you print these levels. You guys don't even have to worry about building your own levels. It's printed for you. So now I'm going to take you guys to the landing page and show you the website when you try to buy the indicator. And I'm going to explain to you why you actually would like to invest in this. So let's get head to the landing page here. All right, guys, here we are on the landing page. As you guys can see, I call the indicator precise key levels. Sorry, my face cam is cutting it off, but it says precise key levels. The link will be in the description for this. Make sure to check it out. You can get instant access here. It explains the indicator here. It explains everything it does. Turns levels into zones, multi-time frame levels, automatically detects and plots critical key levels so you see exactly where price reacts and reversals take shape. So as you can see, that's what that says right there. And it has the same pictures we just went over on TradingView, and I showed you guys the indicator and the charts and all that. So again, just prints levels exactly how you'd want them to be printed. We already went over everything that it does, but here you can actually see, more and more what it does. Same thing we went over. You can pause and read that if you want to. Here's the best part, okay? It is $29.99 a month to have your own levels plotted every single day. Now, I know you guys are going to be thinking, oh, well, why are you charging money for this? Why are you doing money for this? You said that you were going to change the game in trading. Well, let's take a gander at some of these other trading mentorships and these trading signal rooms and stuff like that. The average price you are going to be paying is $70 to $80 a month, and some of the big name traders will charge up to $300 a month to be in their little signal room or their little bot room or whatever. For $29.99 a month, or if you just pay the yearly fee, it's on average $22.49 a month. You get these levels printed for you every single day with all the results, all the statistics, and all the features that I just showed you on TradingView. So, in a sense, I've done this because I want you guys to be able to have something affordable. Investing in yourself, investing in your future is a part of the game. Nothing in life is free, unfortunately. I think we all wish stuff in life could be free, but that's not how life works. People do work. People get paid for that work. People put out their systems. People put out their strategies. They get paid for figuring that out. That's how life works, and I think we all need to realize that. So, why should you invest in this? I showed you all the features. I showed you all the results here. I mean, absolutely insane. And like I said, it is $29.99, okay? I dare you to go find 5 of your favorite trading influencers. What are their prices? Well, I guarantee you'll find one for $79.99 a month, for $105 a month, for $205 a month. Oh, and then if you want to be in their one-on-one mentorship where they do everything for you, you got to pay $3,500. I've even seen some go for $5,000. Okay, so the fact that you can pay $30 a month to have levels plotted for you every single day that have features like this that plot correct levels, critical levels, it's absurd, and I'm super grateful for Flux Charts and to be able to partner with them and to share this with you guys as my followers. I severely hope you guys will take advantage of this. The link will be in the description. Do not forget to check it out. Do not let this opportunity slip to have critical levels printed on your charts every single day. As far as the Discord room goes and all that, I said it's being built. I said it's going to continue to be revamped and rebuilt and built in a Christ-like way, and I mean that. I promise it'll be out for you guys. I know I've said some dates and some time frames that I'd have it out. Unfortunately, it's just not out yet at those time frames, and that's because I want to make sure I'm doing it right for you guys and making sure that I'm doing it in a Christ-like manner, in a Christ-like way. So, while you have the opportunity to take advantage of this, please do. Do not forget that this is an opportunity, and I mean that. I've been honest with you guys. I've been nothing but transparent with you guys. Check this account, this YouTube account. I've posted videos. I've posted losing trades. I've posted losing trade recaps. I've been honest with you guys when I've needed to take breaks, when I'm not feeling myself. So why would I not be honest with you guys here? Do not forget to check the link in the description to check out this indicator that can plot your own levels for you. I love you guys. Jesus Christ loves you. As we can see right here, we got Jesus on my desk. We got the Blessed Virgin. She's always praying for you guys. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Please take advantage of this. This is an amazing opportunity. Peace out, guys.